Okay, so as mentioned, this is going to be a conversation, and as you can see on the screen right now, I have my IG page open, because on my IG page you're going to see that I have my reports over there, which you can also see anytime you want to like verify everything that I'm going to say. So if you look here, right, firstly we're just going to talk about how grade 8, 9 and 10 went, and I'll also give you an idea of how things were going at that time, what I was doing, what I was doing wrong, what I think I was doing right, all the way to grade 11, and then we can expand more on what happened in grade 12. So clearly in grade 8, let's see here. I think our focus for the sake of this course platform is going to be on math. I mean, all other subjects like your English and your Afrikaans, hey, it's fine. Feel free to judge. I have thick skin, So on the math side, let's see here. Term 1, grade 8, or rather, let's just look at math in general for grade 8. Math in general for grade 8, it doesn't seem like it was bad, because I think, in grade 8, we usually have really good teachers at the time, and we're usually, fond of school as well, like low-key, first year of high school and stuff like that. So on my end, let's see here. Things ended off with, what was my promotion mark? My promotion mark was like 55 in grade 8. So clearly you can see that in grade 8, math and I were not friends. So let's move over to like grade 9. Grade 9, let's see. Okay, so term 1 started off on like a very low note. Oopsie. Yeah, we're focusing on math. As I said, all the other subjects, if it's not math, I'm pretty much not going to talk much about it right now, So let's see. Grade 9, yeah, grade 9 seems like it was rough. So I don't know about you, but grade 9 clearly was rough on my end. 34 in the first term, 55, 40s, and then it looks as though my promotion mark there was like 50% on the dot. So that's literally, I'm not going to try and defend myself, because I don't know if I was playful in grade 9, but I genuinely think I was not. I think math was just difficult, because it is what it is. So grade 9 was really not that much of a jam. So obviously the funny thing with grade 9 is this is the year where you choose like your subjects for the following year and stuff like that. So with a 50% for math, I was literally, I think, this close to choosing math lit. I don't know why I didn't choose math lit, to be honest. But grade 10, let's see. Grade 10 in particular, ooh, it looks as though if you check, like, let's say what you call the promotion mark for grade 9, it was like 50%, and then literally term 1 grade 10 is like 50%. Consistency, baba, consistency. So it looks as though that year it was just like a downward spiral. Grade 10, my CAS mark was not so bad, maybe because you usually have those assignments and like stuff like that, so looks as though that bailed me out. But a 58, let's see other subjects just for the fun of it. It looks as though physics and I were kind of friends, IT, okay, 8, IT was fine. Afrikaans, yeah, laat ons nie die plek gaan nie. Let's not go there. So let's see here let's just move over to grade 11, because I think that's like the one that we want to talk about the most before we like jump into me telling you what you want to try out to like help you practice, to like help you exercise, or prepare for your exams and all that. So grade 11, let's see, grade 10 ended off at like 45 as a promotion mark. So grade 10 was pretty bad, I think grade 10 was too playful, because I think in grade 10 we had like a camp that was planned. It was eventually cancelled, so I think the distraction on my end was like the gym, because wanted to look nice at the pool and stuff like that for like the camp. But moving on, grade 11, let's see, started off with like a 49, so ended off with a 45, started off with a 49. More consistency, people. The idea here is consistency, but yeah, it was rough. Let's see, 49 term 1, term 2 61. We were things were looking up, because remember term 2 is like June exams. So 61 there, okay, that's fine. 58, the CAS mark, and then it looks as though my promotion mark for grade 11 was like 56. Whew, shame, man. My heart is like, damn, 56. Well, I guess that's not so bad. Yeah, for physics, yeah, physics was a disaster. Level what? Ended off with like a 49. I know 39. 39 is what? 39 is like level 2. You're lying. Okay, so physics was like a level 2, and then math, okay, at least math was like a young level 4. So that's not too bad, I guess. But this is what we are here for. I am about to talk about what happened in grade 12. So this is the grade 12 report. Let's go back there. So in the next clip, we're going to talk about the grade 12 report. We're going to talk about term 1 in particular. And then the tips start flooding in.